Hey, what's up everyone? So I want to talk a little bit about our catch cans. First of all, I want to thank everyone who has purchased these. They're doing very well for us. Thank you, all of you guys. But I want to show you why we install and manufacture these and use these ourselves. So right now the motorcycle has a little bit over 3,000 miles, right around close to 3,100 miles. So I started unscrewing this. I haven't taken it off yet. So I didn't want to have you guys sit here and wait. That's why this thing is why we designed this, and we very proud of this. So all that junk right there would have gone back into your motor, or if you have a filter element right hooked up to your crankcase breather, all that stuff would have been all over your motorcycle. All that mess would have gotten all over your motorcycle, all over your saddlebags. That is some nasty stuff. So this thing works. So this thing has, like I said, let's just say 3,100 miles, very hard miles. So yeah, it's really works. So what some of you guys have been asking us questions. So right now we have an SNS backing plate, and we're getting ready to release these crankcase breather kits for SNS and a few other backing plates. Now there's a lot of companies that make real nice crankcase breathers, HPI, T-Man. There's a lot of companies that make some nice breathers or air filter kits, and they already have external or outside crankcase breather systems so that you can hook up a hose and then you just run it down. But ours is going to be a real nice kit. Comes down and stuff. So anyway guys, it's very important that you guys understand how important it is. So all this grime, you spend all this money, thousands of dollars on a big motor build, nice pistons, nice heads, and then all that stuff goes back into your motor, gets all over the top of your pistons. It just gets stuck to your valves. It's not worth it, guys. Anyway, if you guys have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us here at the shop or on our social media pages. Once again, guys, thanks for watching.